And the question, what does it cost, is a very rare one. Because you have people who want to listen to physics, and they pay you that. That doesn't happen so often. But it happened, and now I actually earn my money with that. So then again, we did like 5-6 years ago now. We were at an exhibition, and the guy came like saying, "Yeah, there's a stage over there, and it's empty for today. Can you do something?" We have nothing prepared, but let's see. We have liquid nitrogen, we have a banana, we have stuff. Let's do something. Sorry. And just by, there's no corona, that's the air conditioning. And we blew stuff apart, and we made ice cream for everybody. And just again, we were asked, can you do something? We said, yeah, sure. We thought about, yeah, what can we do with the stuff we have? And again, a banana, liquid nitrogen. Improvisation for like 40 minutes. We had no script whatsoever. We had like 20 viewers. And at some point, we were asked, oh, we actually have 200 paying customers. Do you want to be on stage? And we were actually paid as well, which was quite nice. So, and we did physics on stage. We like an experimental show in various concepts. We're still doing that. And not during Corona, obviously, but yeah, that actually worked quite well. So these are just some pictures from various stages. That's physics in Hollywood. Yeah, there's Sheldon Cooper in the background, and Sheldon Cooper in the foreground. Anyway, so that works. If you like something, start small. So I had talks or presentations in front of 5 people, and I had presentations in front of 2,500 people, and it doesn't make a difference. So start somewhere and grow. Don't expect to be the next, I don't know, whatever presenter. Start somewhere and go for it. At some point we said, yeah, let's do an escape room. Let's do an escape room on site. It started in a similar workshop like this one. I think, Paulo, you were there? Paulo and Tom might have been there. Mirza was certainly there. Brad was there. So it was in Prague, and some students said, yeah, let's do an escape room. They had like concept, and I wondered, what do we need to do it actually in reality? What do we need? And I said, yeah, I have one project which has some money left. It didn't take any money actually. And let's build it. Let's actually do it. And I did something completely different than the group did, but we had an escape room. This is actually a cellar in our, back in the office building, which nobody used, so I occupied it, and built an escape room in there. So that I spent like 3 weekends in this cellar, and went to IKEA, bought stuff, took some old computer of mine, and whatever I found in the lab. And actually built an escape room. We put it actually officially in exhibitions and just to test it. And on the last day of testing, this is actually the Hessen Minister of Science. That's a state secret. So people actually enjoyed it. Many kids came, many families came. And at some point, I had the minister and the state secretary in there. And they enjoyed it as well. Which of course led to other projects, and so on and so on. So just go for it. It was a fancy idea, it was an occupied cellar. It led to, oh, hello minister. And then again, what worked, say yes and just start. It isn't pretty. The prototype is never pretty. It always sucks. But just start. And again, just to show how easy it is, I want you to do a very, very simple exercise. For that, we need 3 dice. I will put you into not so random groups, but can you two turn around? You two turn around, and you two turn around. Congratulations, you are a group of 4. You just joined. Now, the next one is exactly. You turn around, you turn around, you turn around. You can potentially just join here, and you join wherever you want if you want to join. Okay, and you need to see the screen in a second. So I have 3 dice here. The small dice tells you what is your goal. What is your goal? You want to inform about the project, you want to teach a basic concept, present science theory options, you want to engage the local population for a large project. Let's say you want to build a particle accelerator on this island, you should engage the people of Neum. Discuss fundamentals of the science, or just be creative, do whatever you want. The second, which is the big dice, gives you the target group. Kids, youngsters, general public, whatever that might be, rural population, socioeconomically disadvantaged poor people, for example, or senior citizens. Make sense? Mm-hmm. And the third dice, it actually doesn't have numbers, but it has emojis. You see why? Because that will be your budget. Right. Basically just adding a zero. So 10 euros to 1 million euros. Make sense? Mm-hmm. Okay. Your group, and you might have to write that down. I leave that slide on. Just be creative for socioeconomically disadvantaged, and we have 100 euros. That's a 2. Okay? So you have 1, a 6, and you have a 3. That's 1,000 euros. Make sense? You will have 100 euros, like 4 1 2. Okay, you will have 64, and oh, you have a jackpot. You have just the creator for the rural population for 1 million. You expect oh, you have 100,000 for all project for senior citizens for 100,000. You have 8 minutes. 8 minutes is all you have. 5 minutes left.